All right, we got another engine came in.
This is a brand new engine.
Brand new engine.
Yep.
Ready?
Not rebuilt, brand new?
No, yeah.
Oh, it's rebuilt.
No, brand new.
Brand new. Oh, dang, it is.
Yep. This is a brand new everything.
4.8.
Even the catalog with it.
Oh, yeah. All
he's doing is just putting his oil cap. That's it.
Oh, okay. What spark? No, he has the sparkle.
Everything.
What's sparkle?
Everything in this motor is brand new. Even the oil pan is there.
That is sweet. Just for a GMC Dinali?
Yep. The 4.7.
Alright.
He's lucky, man.
Oh, yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, he's lucky. He got
For the intake on there?
$400 discount under you.
Oh, he'll like that $400 discount. And I guess we have to get this shipped over to the shop. That is nice.
That is nice, for real. Even comes with even the gaskets.
The whole gasket set. I like how they got the gasket set in the box.
Yeah.
Rather than be all in a little plastic bag, you know what I'm saying? All right, let me put this back on. Oh, I do appreciate it, Dave. I didn't even know it was coming in today.
No, I wish we don't know because the holidays, you know.
Oh yeah,
so he
that's right.
ordered on Friday. We didn't know that it's gonna come in that fast.
All right.
So he's lucky.
Don't forget, you guys. Anybody want to order engines? O'Reilly's is the way to go.
Man.